Hello everyone, welcome sa ating YouTube channel, and today we will be having yung third month update ng ating DIY succulent bed in crate. And as you can see, most ng ating mga succulents ay covered na or natatabunan na sila nung isa nating succulent, which is the Angelina bush. We made this succulent bed noong January 18, 2022. So that's the date right there, and ito yung kanyang itsura when we first made it. Then after 1 month, may progress naman kahit papano. Then on the second month, doon talaga nagsilakihan na yung ating mga succulents. And right now is the third month already, and una nga nating mapapansin is itong parang green na ito. It's also a succulent na tinatawag na nating Angelina bush. Ang bilis niyang lumaki, and as a result nga, ayan, talagang wala ng space yung iba nating mga succulents to grow. Kaya I'm thinking if we will be removing some of them or we need to trim it. Pero sa ngayon, let me just give you a quick look ng ating mga succulents na nandito. Mostly sa kanila, nagsilakihan naman na. They are also showing off yung kanilang stress colors like this one. Ayan, makikita ninyo yung mga tips nila, naging pinkish. And if you are wondering kung ano yung ginagamit nating grow lights, it's the Mars Hydro TSW 2000 na model. So ganito yung kanyang itsura from above. And here, I will show you yung kanyang LED light. So naka 10% siya sa ngayon para we can see it clearly. Then pag naka 100%, ganito yung kanyang itsura, and talagang mainit siya. So it's advisable na pag gumagamit tayo ng mga grow lights, dapat at least 15 to 18 inches away from the grow lights yung ating mga succulents, or else baka ma-sunburn or mag-grow light burn naman sila. Ayan, so from above, ganito yung kanyang itsura. Mapapansin niyo na parang medyo maliliit or lumiit yung mga rosette ng ating mga succulents. That's because hindi pa sila nadidiligan for almost a month. Pero dito sa likodan na part, makikita nyo naman, diba, dati hiwa-hiwalay itong mga ito, but right now, dikit-dikit na talaga sila. And itong ating Purple Delight is currently parang pushing itong ating Flat Moonstone sidewards. Ayan, makikita ninyo, dati diretso yan. Pero ngayon, paslant na siya. Mapapansin din natin na may mga offsets ng tumutubo dito nga sa ating Flat Moonstone. So these are new offsets. Ayan, yung nakikita nyo parang mga white na yan. Mga new growth sila. And dito sa tabi niya, we have the Purple Delight. May nakita na rin tayong offset doon nga sa pinakababa na part. And for the other succulents, I'm not sure if may mga offsets na sila under, kasi nga medyo or talagang natatabunan na sila ng ating Angelina bush. In addition, kung mapansin nga natin is medyo naglo-close na yung kanilang mga rosette, kaya mukha silang maliit. It's because they're receiving too much light from our grow light. So ganun kasing ating mga succulents, if they are receiving too much sunlight or light, talagang they tend to close. And at the same time, since hindi nga sila nadiligan for a long period of time, ginagawa nila ito to conserve yung water sa kanilang mga leaves. But I'm actually enjoying yung ganitong look. Look at these titubans, diba? Ang ganda pala niya pag naka-close yung kanilang mga rosette, including itong ating Angelina bush. If you're gonna be watching yung previous months na video natin about this succulent bed, medyo naka-open itong mga ito. Pero sa ngayon, they look dehydrated. Talagang hindi ko sila diniligan for us to see kung ano ang mangyayari sa kanila if naka-under grow lights lang sila ng 1 month or almost a month. So far, okay naman. Meron din tayo yung mga maliliit na nilagay natin dito before. So okay naman. They are still alive. Yung ating leaf propagation here, it's continuously growing, and I think naging crested itong leaf propagation na ito. I'm not sure kung ano na yung ID niya. We will just wait until talagang lumaki siya. And anong gagawin natin dito sa Angelina bush? I think we will just leave it this way. Tingnan natin kung gaano pa yung ilalaki nitong ating Angelina bush, as long as it's not covering yung pinaka main rosette ng ating succulent, then it would be okay. So dito I'm trying to check if there are some pests like mealybugs sa pinaka-ilalim, but so far wala naman kasi naglagay rin ako ng systemic insecticide dito when we made it. And ito, I wanted to mention about yung ethiolation or naging leggy yung ating succulent. And so, bakit nga ba sila naging leggy considering na naka-grow light sila? That's really because na-cover nga sila nitong ating Angelina bush. And since natatabunan nga sila, ang ginawa ng ating succulent na ito called Ellen is naging leggy nga siya. Makikita ninyo, diba, there are gaps in between sa kanya mga leaves sa ilalim. Then once it reaches nga yung ating grow light, bumalik na nga siya sa kanyang normal growth. Naging compact na din yung kanyang mga leaves. I will give you another example. Ayan, diba? So natabunan siya. They are trying to look for light, kaya humaba yung stem nila ng ganyan. Then now that wala nang nagko-cover sa kanila, normal na yung growth ng kanilang leaves, including this Letizia here. So same yung nangyari sa kanya sa ilalim, naging leggy, but right now yung pinaka new growth niya is already back to normal, diba? So napaka-amazing talaga ng ating mga succulents. They will do their best to survive. Hindi rin pala natuloy na mag-bloom yung flower ng ating succulent kasi masyado na siyang malapit sa ating grow lights. Talagang natutuyo siya. And so, we will just be removing itong mga flower stalks na ito kasi hindi naman natin sila kailangan. And itong sticks, yung mga support na nilagay natin before, we will also be removing them. Ayan, so that's just a quick update ng ating succulent bed. I will be putting them outside para madiligan sila. I'm hoping na maulanan kasi mas maganda talaga ang rainwater para sa ating mga succulents. But in any case na hindi talaga umulan for the next coming days, I will just be using yung ating plain tap water and haluan ko na lang siya ng ating 888 fertilizer. Ayan, so that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page at Desert Succulent PH.